I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me thank you guys for all the appreciation and so much love on my last haul video where I tried to do something different on the edit. So do expect a lot more of that coming soon on my channel. It definitely did encourage me to experiment with a lot of different sort of content with my haul video. So I'm really glad you guys enjoyed it. Now for this video, it's going to be a under 1000 H&M haul video, and it's the best time to shop right now because first of all, Myntra has the end of reason sale, EORS sale. You guys must have heard about it, which is going on right now, and you can get up to 70% off across their website on different brands. And H&M has some great offers and some great things that are on an amazing price point right now, which is the best time to shop. But that's not it. So you guys know I always keep telling you about different ways to get cashbacks and more discounts on your online shopping, and Cash Karo is an app that helps you get that. Now I've spoken about Cash Karo in my earlier haul videos as well, so you can go check that out, but I'm going to be sharing about it in detail in this video as well. Now they offer you cashbacks on all your online purchases. Literally everything that you shop online, you get a cashback on that from Cash Karo. I'm going to be talking about in detail later in the video, but let me just tell you that currently they're offering up to 6% cashback on your Myntra purchases, and it's all real money that you can transfer into your account. You can also use other coupon codes, discount codes over and above this 6% cashback. So I'm very excited to share the details with you guys. Now let's jump right into the haul. Picked up was this sheer blue color top. Now I think it's great, especially for this season and occasion. Christmas is coming around and even New Year's Eve, so if you want to dress up a little bit, this would be great for layering. I don't always, in fact I don't have a lot of sheer stuff, so I am trying to experiment with my style also a little bit. You will soon see me styling this in an upcoming video where I'm going to be showing you guys some outfit ideas for New Year's Eve parties. Of course this time it's only going to be house parties, but still you gotta dress up, so stay tuned for that video. But you will definitely see this in that video. I love the color, it's very royally blue. You can, of course pair it with pants, high-waisted pants, skirts, even I think you can even wear it under like a dress. I am going to experiment and see what looks the best, but this was just for $7.99, which I think is a great price for this quality. And of course it's H&M, so you can rely on their quality, and I really like this top. It's very soft, it's not like harsh on your skin at all, so definitely a thumbs up from my side. Now moving on to the next thing that I picked out was this really pretty pink colored, it's like a blush pink colored satin blouse. Now this is actually very versatile. You can wear it to office, you can wear it for work from home if you have your meetings, Zoom meetings, and you can also actually wear it for parties. I think it is great for New Year's Eve again. I actually picked out a couple of things keeping my New Year's Eve outfit idea video in mind, so you will see me super soon styling these as well. But I think it's a very versatile piece of clothing. The best thing about it was the price point. Now the MRP is $1499, but I got it on sale for $899 on Myntra, and then on top of that I also got a 6% cashback from Cash Karo, so it was a great steal. So I'm going to be putting all the prices on the screen in case I miss out while talking to you guys. Everything will be on the screen, the Cash Karo price as well as the Myntra price, so you can see how much discount you can actually get, which I think will be really helpful for you if you are shopping on a budget. And the fabric of this is also very soft and very satiny. Of course it is satin, so it's really pretty. It looked really nice with, I feel like, a high-waisted black palazzo pant. I just feel that, but let's see when I wear it and style it. Let's see how that goes. Let's move on to the next thing. Moving on to the next thing, I picked up this black textured crop top. It's got like a crossed not a knot, but like a cross detailing at the bottom. This also had a neon color which I wanted to pick up, but it got sold out, which also reminds me a lot of these products I understand might go out of stock by the time this video comes out. I am going to be mentioning substitutes or alternatives to all these products in the description box. So in case these particular things are not available, you can pick up an alternative which is similar to this product. So I've got you covered, so don't worry about that. The price for this was $7.99, which I think is a great price for this thing. For winters, I feel like colors like black, brown, beige, camel, those are my go-to colors for winters, which is why I picked this up. And it's also, the fabric is also again comfortable. Now before I move on to the rest of the products, I want to tell you guys about Cash Karo. If you've seen my earlier haul videos, I'm always talking about getting more discounts and cashbacks on your online purchases, and Cash Karo is an app that helps you get that. So I've mentioned the download link in the description box below. All you have to do is click on it, and you also get a 25 rupees joining bonus instantly when you sign up. Now Cash Karo has over 1500 retailers, so it's not just Myntra, but they also have Ajio, Zivame, and not just like clothing retailers, but also Mamaearth and tons of other 1500 retailers that you can shop from. It's almost like getting a cashback for every online purchase that you make. So what Cash Karo does is it takes you to the retailer that you want to shop from. So you can pick the retailer that you want to shop from, click on it, and then Cash Karo will take you to that. You don't have to directly go to that retailer's website. Just make sure of that. If you want the cashback, you will have to go through the Cash Karo app. Now if you want to pick out the products that I'm showing you guys in the haul video, you can just click on the link which is down below, and that link will take you directly to the Cash Karo app. You will see an orange button when you click on it, and then Cash Karo will redirect you to the Myntra website. Then you can shop normally as you would do, use discount codes, coupon codes, obviously plus the EORS sale discount that you will get, and you can also do cash on delivery, and then just place the order normally. Now you head back to your Cash Karo account, and in the My Earnings section you will see your cashback. It almost always reflects immediately, and when this cashback threshold crosses 250, you can actually transfer all this real money into your bank account, or you can also convert it into Amazon vouchers and shop on Amazon. Now moving on to the next product, I think this was a steal as well. This is like a cotton but denim sort of like a material. It's a denim cotton, if that is a thing. It's not very thick, but it's a very nice slip dress. You can actually layer it in winters, wear a turtleneck under it, or in fact the blue sheer top that I showed you guys, you can also wear that under it. The MRP for this was 1499, but with the discount I got it for like 1000 bucks on Myntra plus the cashback on top of it. So it was a great steal. I would highly recommend this, especially for the winter season. If you like layering up and if you just want to experiment with a turtleneck and a dress thing, I honestly have never worn it, but I'm very excited to give that a try with this. Now the next thing that I picked out was this white turtleneck. It's not really turtleneck, but it's like sort of like a high neck white cottonish tee. It is see-through, but it's perfect for layering. I already have a thicker turtleneck from Zara, but it's too thick. Like it's perfect for like, it's like a sweater, so you can't really layer it too much, but I picked this up for wearing it as an inner or basically layering purposes. Also guys, H&M is great for basics. The MRP for this was just $7.99, but I also got discounts. I'll put all of the discounts on the screen. It was a great deal. H&M is actually the best for picking out basics. You guys ask me a lot of times where to get leggings, camisoles, and like basic tees. I would suggest H&M for all of that. Sometimes you even get like slightly non-basic stuff also at great discounts from H&M, so always recommend H&M for your basic. In fact, if you're looking to build your winter wardrobe, I would highly suggest that you check out H&M for your basics, especially like something like this or turtlenecks. I also have one more tee that I'll show you guys later, which is great for layering. It's in fact thicker than this, and again only for $7.99. So I'll show you guys that as well. But if you guys haven't seen my winter wardrobe video, I'm going to link that down below. Do refer to it if you're looking to build your winter wardrobe and trying to figure out what to really buy, because if you have all the right basics, you really don't need to spend too much money on non-basic stuff, if you know what I mean. So do check that video out, and this is very soft in material. The fabric is also really good and great for wearing it like inside as an inner. The next thing that I picked out was this crop tee. The reason I picked this out was because of the color. It's so pretty and it's like a tie and dye effect on it. It's like a peach and a white, and I really like the color. That's the only reason I picked it up. The price was $7.99, and it was the perfect thing to pick out for an under 1000 H&M haul. It looks pretty cool. It had other colors as well. When I was looking at it, some of them were out of stock, but you can always go back and see if they have other colors available now. And it's a great basic tee to have in your wardrobe, so you can pick this out if you're looking to build a basic wardrobe. This is also a super versatile piece. You can wear it with blue jeans, black jeans, high-waisted skirts, under slip dresses, so pretty versatile. Now the other white tee that I was mentioning earlier, it was this one. It's pretty thick. quite thick, perfect for winters, and this was for 999, but I mean that's understandable given that it's a lot thicker than the turtleneck tee that I showed you guys earlier. Perfect for winters again. This is actually in fact from their basics section. Like I said, H&M Basics, like I recommend it 100%, so do check that out because I feel like it's pretty affordable. Again, I know affordable is very subjective, but I feel like the quality that they give for the price, it's worth it. Now the last product of this under 1,000 haul is not exactly under 1,000, so forgive me for that, but the MRP was 2,000 rupees, 1,999, and I got it on discount on Myntra itself for 1199, but with Cash Karo I got a 6% cashback, so almost 1,000 rupees, so I think it qualifies for the under 1,000 H&M haul. I picked this up because it's like a crepe material and it's great for layering again, so you can pair it up with stockings, some boots, and put on like an overcoat. It looks super chic, and it's got, and even for summer, so it's versatile, you know, you can wear it even in summers and for winters if you layer it up. The back is so it's not like really backless, but it does have quite a lot of back showing at the back, and from the front it is completely covered. It has like a button detailing as well at the back. So I picked it up because I knew I could wear it in summers as well, and something that's for 2,000 bucks, you're getting it for half the price. I think it is worth it. Although not always, do not always pick up things that are on sale. You don't always need them, but I was curious to, you know, give it a try and see how it looks, and I think it's pretty nice. So definitely recommend this as well. So that brings us to the end of this under 1,000 H&M haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trust me, it's the best time to shop right now and build a good stylish wardrobe for yourself. And of course, building a wardrobe needs your basics to be right and on point. And hopefully this haul video would have helped you with that. Also check out all my other wardrobe essentials video to get an idea. And be a smart shopper, give Cash Karo a try. The download link of the app as well as all the product links will be down below. So give it a try. Best time to shop because of the EORS Myntra sale as well as cashbacks from Cash Karo. And if you do give it a try, of course, tell me how you like the experience. Give me your thoughts, give me your feedback down in the comments below, and I would love to know about them. Year 2020 is coming to an end, but I still have a lot of fun and amazing videos for you guys before the year ends, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.